Why, hello. It is me, Mila Rose. Y'all, it's been like 2 weeks, but I'm back. And today we're going to do quite a few things. I'm going to do some batch recording. So this is going to be our closeout for our May Paycheck 1. I know y'all missed that one altogether. It's not coming. I didn't even record it. Just went ahead and did it. So you'll see the closeout. So you'll see it's the same pretty much uses that it has been. Y'all, work was crazy. I took a little trip, did a little drive before these gas prices got crazy. And now I have one more weekend of fun things and I'm back to my usual budget. So let's work some things out. Let's get it together. And I will see y'all in just a little bit. If you like videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit subscribe. And I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, so I thought I hit pause, but I guess I didn't. So we'll have two different videos. All right, let's go ahead and close out our Paycheck 1. We have our usual envelopes that are $300. Our rent is budgeted for $960. We actually ended up paying $952.95. Adobe is supposed to be budgeted for $35. That was $32.46. Electricity is budgeted for $100, and that was $42.72. Bainfield was budgeted for $60. That ended up being $49.90. Sinking funds was $117 because we take out that exactly. Giving was $12. School loans was $40. And then I went to the Mashup Market. It's a local vegan grocery, and I ended up spending $52.58. When I tell y'all, I've been having a time with this whole money thing. It's been a moment. I mean it. So let's add these up together. And as you'll see, okay, so this was supposed to be 1,100, no, 1,000. I don't even remember. Let's just add it up. 300 plus 960 plus 35 plus 100 plus 60 plus 117 plus 12 plus 40. So 1624. Yeah, that's not actually how much I get paid. I actually get paid $1,614. So I've been over $10. I was like, ooh, I got to redo my budget. But that's okay. We have a little bit left over so we can work it out. But still, I don't want to be budgeting for over what I actually make. So, yeah, we got to work on that. 117. Oh, okay. Well, we'll start over. 300 plus $952.95 plus $32.46. $42.72 plus $49.90 plus $117 plus $12 plus $40 plus $52.58 equals $1,599.61. And then we take 1614. We'll take the actual amount that we got paid and subtract those together. And that leaves us with $15 left over. So we'll take that over here. I did actually go ahead and do the closeout, even though it's kind of like, girl, why? I don't know. I just wanted to do it. Let me bring the light down just a little bit. That might make it a little bit easier. Might brighten it up just a little bit. Okay, there we go. So didn't have a lot left over. I'm perfectly okay with that. So I ended up pulling out $1 for singing bowls. I pulled out $3 for debt. I pulled out $2 for emergency savings, $2 for long-term savings, $2 for just savings. House savings got $3 as well. Business got $1. Tech got $1. Stocks gets $1. That should be 1, 4, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is that 15, 16? Hold on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, somebody needs to go. Oh, wait. I think I did mark one of these down to 2. No, I left them all. They were all supposed to be that way. So I need to mark either one of these down to 2 or bump one of these up to, I guess we'll do this one so that we actually equal 15. Okay. And that closes it out. So now we got to go get the monies and we got to go put the monies where it belongs. So let me go pull the money out. Really unprepared. That's okay. I'm really wondering though, I'm like, where's all those savings envelopes at? Now that I think about it, I'm like, wait a minute. Where are all those envelopes? I'm assuming they're in here. And we need just a bunch of ones, so. Alright, here's 15 ones. And let's start putting them where they belong, shall we? Alrighty, so first off, we have $1 that goes towards singing bowls. We have, I don't think I've really put any money towards singing bowls, but 20, 40, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86. So there we go. I did not realize this camera was down so low. Okay, we'll check that one off. Check. It gets 3. And we have our little debt envelope. Because I thought we had our little debt envelope. It must still be. Here's our little debt envelope because we went and paid some debt. Which I need to do an update, but I guess I'll do an update in June from April and May. So debt gets $3. And this is our first little bit we're putting into debt. So that is 1, 2, 3. It's just a little $3. Set that to the side. And then we have emergency savings, house savings. Oh, that's why. I had 3 of them on there. I didn't realize that. Huh. Okay, I'll look at all this later. Emergency savings gets $2. And that is, I believe, an envelope I have. Let me look for it. Okay, I have a long term and I have an emergency. Look how messy that is. I'll need to redo that one. But we have emergency savings. That gets $2. So we can check that one off. House savings, which I'll need to transfer over, so I'll leave that unchecked. Business gets $1. I'll set that to the side. Technology gets $1. I'll check that one. And our technology envelope. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. $105. Put that one up. We checked that one off. Stocks gets $1. I guess it's a whole, I believe, $1 in the stocks envelope. Have y'all been investing? How's it going? I know some of this, it's been a very volatile market, so, you know. See, we've done stocks, long-term savings. Here we go. And then I have one that just says savings. I wonder, did I accidentally write in too many of these? That gets $2. And there we go. We should have 3, 4. I don't know where the savings envelope is supposed to be. We have house saving. We have kind of, oh, okay. And then that dollar goes in there. Okay. So these ones, I actually have some that actually need to be transferred over. So we should have 1, 2, 3, $4 left over. Perfect. All right. So that's everything. Our paycheck is closed out. Everything is where it needs to go. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share with all of your friends as we go on this whole budgeting journey. And I will see y'all on Wednesday. I post every Wednesday and Saturday early in the morning so we can go ahead and get our monies together quick and early. Or you can do it whenever, watch videos whenever. And I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.